there, travel enthusiasts! Ready to dive into the sweet secrets of Costa Rican chocolate? Let's start our adventure in the lush rainforests of La Fortuna. Imagine walking through a vibrant cocoa farm, fresh rainforest air filling your lungs, and the majestic Arenal Volcano watching over you. Here, you'll discover the gift of the gods, the cacao tree. It's not just any tree, but the source of pure chocolate bliss. Join me on this hands-on chocolate tour, where you'll get to roll up your sleeves and get involved in every step of chocolate production. From harvesting the fruit, drying and grinding the seeds, to finally tasting the rich, creamy chocolate. Yum! The best part? You can eat as much chocolate as you want. Yes, you heard me right. Indulging in this treat while learning about the history and culture of Costa Rican chocolate is an experience like no other. Did you know that cacao was so valuable that ancient cultures used it as currency? That's right. Cacao seeds were once more precious than gold in Mesoamerica, including Costa Rica. And it wasn't just for eating, it was also a ceremonial drink. Talk about a cultural treasure. So, if you're a chocolate lover or just curious about its origins, this tour is a must. Be sure to check out the link in the description for all the details. Get ready to be enchanted by the process, the flavors, and the stories behind Costa Rican chocolate. Pack your bags and let's uncover the hidden secrets of this sweet paradise together. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures. See you soon!